Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Docker on Windows 11 step by step. Docker is one of the most popular containerization platforms used by developers, system administrators, and DevOps engineers worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll have Docker Desktop installed and running successfully on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. To check your Windows version, press Windows plus R, type WinVer, click OK. Make sure you're running Windows 11. Now let's check virtualization. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager, select the Performance tab, click CPU. Look for virtualization enabled. If it shows disabled, you'll need to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings before continuing. Next, we need to enable required Windows features. Click Start, search for Turn Windows features on or off. Open it. Enable the following options. Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click OK. Windows will install the required components. Once completed, restart your computer. After the restart, open your web browser, go to the official Docker website, navigate to Docker Desktop for Windows, click Download for Windows. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now let's install Docker Desktop. Double-click the installer, accept the license agreement. Keep the default options selected. Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V, add shortcut to desktop. Click OK or install. The installation process may take several minutes. Wait until the installation completes successfully. When prompted, click Close and restart if required. After Windows starts, open the Start menu, search for Docker Desktop, launch the application. The first startup may take a few minutes. Accept the Docker subscription service agreement. Docker will initialize the Docker engine and configure the required services automatically. Wait until the status shows. Docker Desktop is running. Now let's confirm everything is working correctly. Open Command Prompt and run the following command. That's it. Today we learned how to verify Docker requirements, enable Windows features, install Docker Desktop, verify the installation, run the Hello World container. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to enable notifications so you won't miss the next Docker training video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.